isa-isay natin. Season 1. What's your most
Season 1. Season 1,
memorable
of
mo?
course, yung memorable mo season 1 when they found fucking 11.
Really?
Oo.
Ako,
Drenched in the fucking rain.
ako yung nung ginawa si Will.
Meron pa sa season 1.
Ano?
Yung binutas ni Joyce yung bahay niya. Because she was seeing Will on the other side.
Okay, but season 2?
Yan yung memorable for me season 1. Kasi sabi ko, shit, what is this acting? This is very good acting.
Oo. Season 2?
Season 2, I just remember bitchin'.
Season 2 sa akin yung sinara ni Eleven yung gate.
Yung nag-float siya.
Oo. Season 3?
Season 3? Is it the one yung Angela?
No. Season 4 yan. Season 3 yung may mall.
Season 3 yung may mall?
Oo, yung may Russians.
Ayun. Probably that. If you give me season 3, I'd think of the fucking Russian.
No, memorable moment.
I can't remember. Feeling ko yung is it season 3?
Season 3. Yung Starcourt Mall, yeah. Yun. Starcourt Mall, yun may mall. Nandun si Billy, namatay si Billy.
Yun basta yung nag-girls date si
Elsa si si Max.
tsaka
Okay.
si El. Tapos, ano yung sabi ni El kay Mike?
I break up with you.
Oo. I ditch your ass.
Parang something like that. Ako
I dump your ass. I dump your ass pala.
I dump your ass.
That's so iconic. Tapos, kumain sila ng ice cream sa bus. Fun.
Season 4, ayan, kay Max.
Yeah, season 4 came out.
Season 5, what's your definitive Stranger Things season 5 moment?
Let me think.
Parang think of season 5, that's
a lot
that.
have happened.
I have some candidates, like yung final fight. Will...
That came out super short nga as in yung with the mind flayer.
Mamaya natin pag-usapan issues. But season 5, it can also be Will. It can also be Will controlling Vecna para maligtas sila Max and Holly.
Oo.
It can also be the first time yung kinontrol niya yung Demogorgons.
Yeah, yung sorcerer.
Yeah?
That's episode 4.
Oo. Max waking up. Siguro kasi iyak talaga ako ng buhay siya.
Oo.
Yeah, memorable yun for me. May not be the definitive moment of season 5.
I think for me it's the yun nga, the final, yung na-defeat na si Vecna. Because that is Stranger Things.
Mm-hmm.
Parang yun yung DNA. When you think of Stranger Things, it's defeating monsters with the yung powers.
Oo. Okay, so sa'yo yun yung final battle.
Yeah. Yung diba, Vecna and Eleven were parang engaged in combat, ganyan.
Oo.
Tapos, Will suddenly showed up in Vecna's mind.
Yeah. Tapos parang, ay, putik. Parang tiniteorize natin yun eh. He can see through Vecna. Kaya niya kontrolin si Vecna.
Diba yung sabi? Ano yun, Elle is powerful and all. Yung sabi ni Hopper. Si Hopper ba nagsabi nun? Basta yung sabi, Elle is powerful and all, but she will need
all the help she can get.
All the help she can get, and then there's Will.
Yeah. So,
makes sense kasi through Hopper and Joyce.
sila nag-uusap mo.
They're siblings, diba?
Sila yata nag-uusap. Okay. Ako, I have one. Not yung final battle, I think.
What?
Yung yung kinontrol ni Will yung Demogorgons.
Yung sinave niya si Robin, si Lucas, tsaka si
Yes, that's my definitive moment. Kasi parang, not yung kay Vecna, kasi we already know that he can do it eh.
Kasama yung line ni Will. We're not afraid of you anymore.
Okay, I take it back. Ang bilis magbago ng isip ko. Sige, yun na lang.
That's the most
kasi that's the theme of
that's Stranger Things.
Yes, that's the theme. That's
you cannot think of Stranger Things if you cannot think
that's the thesis of Stranger Things. Parang it's always been them trying to defeat unknown forces, etc.,
Monsters
etc.
in general.
But they've always been somewhat afraid.
Kasi they're, I mean,
That's very Pennywise though, but
it's Stranger Things, mamaya, siguro. Stranger Things could be a lot of things, but Stranger Things is that.
oo. But we're not
Scene.
afraid of you anymore.
We're not afraid of you
That's
anymore, and
such a
then,
powerful fucking line. Especially galing kay Will. That who's always been afraid kapag may goosebumps siya sa
Mom, I'm
batok.
scared! I'm scared!
Di ba? Laging siyang parang,
Mom!
parang siya laging takot eh. Siya laging takot. And it's such a good,
Yeah.
arc.
Meron pa ako isang definitive moment.
Ano?
Yung monologue ni Robin
Yung last.
on coming out.
Yeah.
Parang yung it's not about the person.
Oh, that's a definitive moment for you.
Yeah, personally.
Na bading.
Not in the series, but sa series,
Yeah.
definitely yung last battle.
Pero, imagine you're someone who's struggling to come out. Parang that's such a good message to hear. Kapag nanonood ka. Di ba? Parang I can see someone getting inspired just because of that.
Yeah. Kaya it's a good series.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Okay. Next. Okay. There's an issue circulating online.
Ay, sige.
Okay. Basically, ang reklamo ay
What?
all that build up just for Vecna to die in 5 minutes.
Yung the one na kanina. I said kanina.
Parang it's like, parang kino-compare nila sa ending ng Twilight.
Oh.
Number 1, di ba?
Kasi
if you know Twilight.
Dude, that's so overblown naman for me, yung sa Twilight.
No, if you think about Twilight, if you guys know Twilight, if not, spoiler, but remember.
Come on, girl.
Okay, number 1. A lot of issues, Number 1. Yung issue nila with Twilight is that it's such a long series, tapos yung final battle nila, konti lang sila sa battlefield. Tapos, ang issue pa doon, konti na nga lang sila sa battlefield, it's not real pa.
It's not real.
Diba? It's not real pa.
If you don't know Twilight until now, you're missing out. And you're probably a Gen Alpha.
Parang it's 9 years in the making.
Yun yung kabaliktaran.
It's 9 years in the making. Tapos parang people wanted something more sa final battle. Like,
ako, I expected something more with the Mindfucking player.
Kasi isipin mo Infinity War. Isipin mo, MCU.
Oh, they invest so much in battles.
But 10 years in the making. The endgame battle is the battle that everyone needed. At everyone wanted.
Chef's kiss.
Diba? Parang it's
even
the
kasi
scale of it.
Nung pinanood ko yung Endgame, I wasn't even a fan.
It was like grand talaga.
Yeah, it was a grand battle talaga.
Alam mo, it's a war. And yung last episode ng Stranger Things, yung last battle, it's so bitin. It's like, really? 9 years?
They're not all there pa. It's just yung 8.
Oh. Yeah.
9, kasama si 11.
Wala si Hopper dun eh.
Wala rin si
Wala si Hopper, wala si Murray.
Wala si
They had to stay at the lab. Wala si Max.
Yun yung biggest issue ko dun. Wala si Hopper. Wala si Murray. I mean, they're in the background. But why the fuck are they in the background?
I mean, gets ko that Max isn't there kasi
baldado siya.
Logically, baldado siya. But, again,
come on, Hopper is not there and Robin is there.
Diba? Parang, Stranger Things has always been like that na parang grupo-grupo, subgroups.
Yeah.
Parang, guys, last episode, parang can we like have everyone together, not like have
yung
side
together
fucking
nila,
missions.
yung reunion nila, yung van na yun, yung truck exit nila.
I wanted sana until season 9. Until episode 9.
Episode 9.
I wanted sana episode 9 na, I don't know, parang they had paano ba? Parang, I wanted yung last scene of episode 8 could be them at their lowest. Kasi nasa subgroup sila. And then episode 9 is when they all get together and fight the
Kasi
shit.
ganun naman Stranger Things lagi sa dulo. Except season
The
4
final. Para
or
laging sa
season
finale
3.
magkakasama sila.
Oo, except season 3. Kasi
Yeah.
nawala si Hopper.
Sayang. Parang guys, we're in the
But kasi it could count also. Kasi ang main bida naman is, well, it doesn't make sense to me na wala si Hopper doon.
It doesn't make sense to me na really.
It doesn't make sense to me.
Vecna is in the ang tawag dun sa lair.
There's parang they almost opened up to another layer in Henry's character. I would have hoped for that.
Na maging kapal nila si Vecna.
At the very last minute.
No, I like it. I
Yeah,
like
but
how
it
I like
also
how he's too far gone.
it also works na he's too far gone. Yeah.
Parang it's a good statement din na alam mo some people are beyond saving.
Yeah.
Some people are too far gone.
And it's not like someone saving Henry.
Diba? Oh. So, wala lang, last I wanted a more grand last battle.
Pero nagulat ako doon. I expected more from the Mind Flayer.
Yun nga.
Parang for so long kasi sa Stranger Things, our belief was the Mind Flayer is the mastermind.
Yeah.
That's the bad entity.
Diba,
And then it came through
Vecna is like the 5-star general.
It came through Vecna. Parang si Vecna, yeah, sige, bigyan mo na si Vecna yung yung walker niya, whatever. Parang dust off for the Mind Flayer. But Mind Flayer sa dulo gagamba, ate.
Ang sabi,
Ang
explanation daw doon ay the Mind Flayer is like a entity and then Vecna harnessed the Mind Flayer into this physical manifestation.
Physical manifestation, siguro yes.
But then again, that's a manifestation. If you kill the physical manifestation, dapat
sige, the Mind Flayer is a monster, whatever. But like, it's the Mind Flayer. Or is it just a spider?
Yeah, it's so bitin, girl.
Why is it
okay.
only a spider?
You know
and
what?
Parang at the end, si Vecna yung nag-iisip for the Mind Flayer.
Yes.
I mean, he said na they're one and whatever, but parang it alludes kasi to this allegiance of Henry with the Mind Flayer, not them latching to each other as one. Hindi di ba? Namatay sila separately.
Parang episode...
Namatay si Vecna, and then namatay din yung Mind Flayer kasi inambush siya, whatever, di ba?
Yeah. Parang episode 8 could have been like them defeating Vecna.
Oo,
and
tapos...
then episode 9...
this is the bigger one.
Yeah, Actually, ito nga yung gustong structure thinking about it. Okay, let's say, stick lang tayo sa episode 8. First
Akala ko nga,
first act.
Akala ko mabubuhay pa yung Mind Flayer.
Yun nga, para first half, kasi di ba namatay si Vecna, may oras pa.
Oo.
I would have wanted like...
I was scared nga, parang shit, okay, so may time pa para may mamatay.
Yeah, and I wanted the Mind Flayer to like...
Or like in
villain.
an attempt to escape, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, shit, boy pa pala siya.
Kasi,
and then once and for all, napatay siya ni Elle, whatever.
I don't know, para mas okay sa akin the Mind Flayer to be the main villain kasi
Me too.
It was built off since season 1.
Tsaka
Vecna was only really introduced season 4.
Tsaka yan yung I don't know, Will and the Mind Flayer.
Yeah.
Parang ang main monster ni Will ay yung Mind Flayer.
Yeah, parang...
Why did it turn out to be Vecna?
Yeah, it was okay din. Sana for... kasi ang argument namin, or argument ko, I don't know if you agree, but ang main protagonist for me is Will, not 11.
Yeah.
Kasi everything started with Will. And it would have been nice for 11 to kill Vecna. And then, yung last act would have been like Will versus the Mind Flayer.
Yeah. I mean,
kasi bakit?
They can share.
They can share.
They can share center, but I think 11 is...
Parang 1A, 1B, no?
11 is also a center point sa Stranger
Okay,
Things.
yeah.
Kasi, parang if
That's what makes Stranger
I'm,
Things eh, si
I'm going
11.
to argue that's, parang mas buo yung arc na yun.
Oh.
Na si 11 talaga yung center ng Stranger Things. Kasi number 1, she opened the gates.
Yeah.
Number 2, she created Vecna.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
And then number 3, siya yung...
Wala, siya yung main.
Yeah. Siya yung
Main
winner.
hero.
Yeah.
Okay.